Hello! I want to invite you to join me on a seminar I'll be doing on the 3rd and the 7th of July. It will be a short one, just 2 sessions, and that's why my team and I decided to keep it practical. We are going to find solutions for daily problems, daily behavioral problems. I know from experience that many families of autistic children struggle with many issues daily. But I also know from experience that for many of those issues there are solutions, or at least behavioral problems can be reduced. So let's do it. I am looking forward to share my experience with you and to mingle that with your daily struggle. Something good will come out of it. I want you to send me a list with your problems, your daily behavioral problems with your registration. Don't hesitate and don't be shy. Make the list as long as you can. I am sure there will be a lot of overlap, so this will provide the opportunity to help more than one person in one go. Even if I discuss some problems with one particular parent, I'm sure you can learn from that as well, and you can relate it to some of your own issues. So, I'll be waiting for you on the 3rd of July. Please inscribe. The group will be small because otherwise we cannot be effective. So don't hesitate and inscribe. The 3rd and the 7th of July. See you then. Bye.